This is a sponsored video for this Halloween decoration. Let's go ahead and open it up. And it looks like it has the installation steps right here on the back. So this is the direction that is going to be facing towards you, like that. We're going to do the pumpkin. Then the ghost goes to the back. And then lastly, our cat goes here in the front. So that is very cute, and now all are in place. Let's go ahead and put this on my desk now and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I have it near some kind of fall flowers too. I think this is so adorable. Very cute little decoration. I like how we have the different levels or the different depths. I think that makes it that much more dynamic and interesting too, but very cute. You could put this on like a windowsill, your desk like I have it. Maybe even near a coffee station or cocoa station or apple cider station, something like that in your kitchen. I think it is an adorable, easy to create, easy to make little decoration.